Hey guys, welcome. In this episode, I want to talk to you about my wheels, particularly about my wheel caps. As you can see, these caps right here, black, solid black, and it makes everything flush. Not to mention my lug nuts are also black, and yeah, it makes everything all flush. I wanted to replace these with these right here. This is matted silver caps to match with my sides here, and to make my wheels stand out more, with a central silver tone color. So to take this out, you're gonna need a flat head driver or anything flush and flat. Make sure it's solid. It won't bend or break on you. You could use those wedge or prying tools, but they will bend and they won't have enough force to be able to get these caps out. So to take it out, just put it between the crevices here and then just pry it there, just like that. Pretty simple. See right there. And if your wheels are aluminum, I believe these are aluminum wheels or something, but you can see you may get some scraping or scrubbing or scratch right here, but that's all right. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the other 3 wheels. I'll be back, and putting these caps back in is pretty easy. As you can see, it's just rings and it's just flushing in, but I'll be back, and you'll see the after effect or the look of it. All right, be back. All right guys, as you can see, I got these caps off, but right there, put them in. Now I have to admit, this marring right here, or the scratch right here, is from a different pry that I did earlier. It was actually I used a different tool and it didn't work out. It was a picking tool. I should have used this flathead screwdriver in the first place, because the other wheels, let's go across, you can see there is no scratching or marring on it. I used that flathead screwdriver with the electrical tape around it, and there's no scratching at all. So I should have did that in the first place. But anyways, here's the cap. Installing it is pretty easy. Just put it all the way in like that, and then just tap it. There you go. That's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 2. I'll be back. All right guys, there it is. Told you it just gives a different look for the center of it. Now this was the actual original tool that I was trying to see first, doing a little test on it. So it's basically a picking tool, and yeah, this is the wrong tool to use because it was moving and swiveling, and I couldn't get a good pry compared to the flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver is better used with the electrical tape. But anyways, there it is. Let's make our way around. There it goes. Pops out center. There you go guys. Not too bad. Pretty simple. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.